Hello everybody, what do you think about the flying car? Is flying car really happening in India? The flying car have often fascinated many of us, but somehow seems far from the reality. The flying cars are something that everyone associates with the future of travel. While there are many car firms that are working on the new vehicles, the Netherlands-based personal air land vehicles, PELV, looked the most promising one in India. It is basically a compact two-wheeler aircraft that can travel on public roads. The flying vehicle comes with the following specifications. The PELV Liberty is equipped with two engines. The top speed of vehicle is 160 km per hour on road. It flies at a speed of 180 km per hour and it can turn into a flying vehicle in just 3 minutes. Cover a distance of 500 km on a full tank. PELV claims that it has the world's first flying car production model called Liberty, inspired by nature, engineered by man, and evaluated over the time. The PELV Liberty is a groundbreaking product, inaugurated the age of flying car. The company states the PELV Liberty is a marriage between safety and fun, designed to satisfy the most demanding customers. The Vice President of the Dutch brand International Business Development, Carlo Maasbommel, has signed an MOU with Gujarat Industries Principal Secretary M.K. Das to set up a manufacturing facility in Gujarat. The memorandum was signed in the presence of the State Chief Minister, Vijay Rupani. The Maasbommel said the company chose Gujarat for its world-class infrastructure, ease of doing business and better port and logistic facilities. He also stated that the car manufactured in India would also be exported to market including European countries and the United States as well. In a rapid changing world of global transportation, PLV's entry to India for its manufacturing flying car unit is not only giving advantage to the company but also it will help in development of state and the country too. The flying car offer a more sustainable way of getting around city. It represents an interesting investment opportunity, and we will see more and more strategic investment funding in this area. There are many advantages of the product: minimizing the traffic populations, lower emission. They can travel shorter distance to make the same journey. Free up the city's roads for pedestrian and cyclists. Less need for the ground infrastructure will be required. There are several disadvantages as well. The PLV flying car does not come cheap. For further disadvantage can be emissions over short distance could be higher. They cannot carry many passengers compared to the other public transportations, and due to requirement that these flying car must be light to be able to get off the ground without using too much energy. They are only designed for a small number of people. The takeoff and landing is very difficult as a proper place is required to land the vehicles, due to which it reduces the benefit of this mode of transportation. As you can see, there are several advantages as well as disadvantages of the flying car, and still many research are going on the flying car worldwide, and hope the engineers would be able to conquer this disadvantage and would surely find a way to launch a sustainable product in the market. What are your takeaway from this video? Please mention it in the comment below.